Hello again, I'm Sally Good, aka Mama. Today we are going to focus on stereotyping. And our main focus is Somali. First of all, can you define the word Somali? No. I know you can't. It means milking. To milk a cow. We milk cows, goat, camel, cockroaches, anything with letter C in front. But not caterpillar. Ishwarya. They say Somalis are fearless. They can't leave you in trouble, but are harsh and arrogant. Is this a fact or is it something else? They say Somalis are fearless, can't leave you in trouble, but they are not humble. Only harsh, arrogant. Yes. Is this a fact or is it something else? Somalis favor their own. Well, who does it, eh? They have to fight amongst themselves, but unite to drive away enemies. Yes. This is true. You guys say we practice tribalism. No. We are digital Somalis. Digital Somalis. We love Kambas, Kikuyus, Kambas the rope for tying camels. Kikuyus, Jalus, even Luyas. We even intermarry. You guys say we practice tribalism. No. We are digital Somalis. We love Kikuyus, Kambas the rope for tying camels. Yes. By the way, you say Somalis are all Al-Shabaab. No. Even Onyango, Otieno, and Omoni can be Al-Shabaab in disguise. So, please, stop the misconception and the negative stereotyping. Instead, use it to shape up people. Don't say Somalis are all Al-Shabaab. By the way, guys, you say Somalis are all Al-Shabaab. No. Even Otieno, Kamau, Motisa can be in Al-Shabaab undercover. Not all Somalis are Al-Shabaab. We hate violence. And by the way, even Mongekis, we have Somali Mongekis. So, stop the misconception. Let's live in peace. Let's use the negative stereotyping in shaping people up. Please, let's live in harmony, peace. We are all one race, the human race. We are all one tribe in Kenya, not 42. We are all Kenyans, the tribe, okay? Peace. This is me.